Struggling to visualize the business-critical insights needed to reach your goals? Does your team collaboration suffer from whiteboard fatigue and scattered ideas? Low engagement and energy while presenting weekly to-do from your CRM? Steven sees the possibilities after seeing his data like never before. Finding the solution's easy, with clear goals and a team working together to accomplish them for your business. As the team's understanding starts to grow, a new partnership forms, one of speed and empowered information, communications, and quick access to critical data, helping your team grow. Sean's winning thanks to the Workflow Secrets dashboards. Every once in a while, a product comes along that defies all odds and defies all logic to fulfill an incredible dream. Your dream as a real estate agent.